Now, the next method of factoring I'm going to teach you is called the grouping method. Okay, and this is what you use when the number in front of x squared is greater than 1. So do these have anything in common? They have 2 in common, so I'm going to factor out 2. So you got to take out the greatest common factor first. So divide each of these by 2. So 4x squared minus 4x minus 3. Okay. Next, what you're going to do now is you're going to multiply the first and last terms together. So 4x squared times negative 3 and negative 12x squared. So I'm going to multiply those together, and I'm going to make a little t-chart. Okay? Now I'm going to find two terms that multiply to negative 12x squared, but add to negative 4x. So what two terms do that? What about negative 6x and 2x? Negative 6x times 2x is negative 12x squared. Negative 6x plus 2x is negative 4x. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rewrite this expression. I'm going to plug these two values in for the middle term. So I'm going to have 4x squared. No, I'll get the 2 later. I don't need to mess with the 2 right now. Minus 6x, but don't let me forget it. So I'm going to rewrite this expression here, plugging in negative 6x and 2x in for the values there. Okay? Now, next, I'm going to use my factoring by grouping rules from a couple lessons ago. I got 4 terms. So I'm going to put parentheses around the first 2, parentheses around the last 2. Make sure there's a plus sign in the middle. There is. I'm going to take out the greatest common factor in each piece. What does 4x squared and 6x have in common? They have 2 in common and x. So I'm going to take out 2x. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. I take an x out of each one. Now, what's 2x and 3 have in common? Well, they don't have anything in common other than 1. So I'm going to actually put 1 on the outside. 2x minus 3. And then just like we did with grouping, they have a common binomial, 2x minus 3. So I'm going to take that out. I'll be left with 2x plus 1. And don't forget about the 2. This is my solution.